This is what a $400,000 landscape makeover looks like. So this house was meant to be an experience from start to end. Starts off with this beautiful Teco wall with Mexican beach pebble and AstroTurf, and then beautiful landscaping to complement it. As you come down the curved, windy driveways, we have the royal palms sprinkled all the way down the driveway. Just like old Fort Myers McGregor style, they brought that class all the way to their house. Come check out their house. As you're entering into the driveway, you have both of these triple Sylvester palms, extremely mature. Those were already existing, did not include in this renovation, but we pruned them, cleaned them up a little bit, and boy, do they look grand. And then as you enter the side of the house and walk towards the backyard, you come through a butterfly garden. We have some pentas, lavender, jatropha's, a whole different array of butterfly plants that help keep the butterflies here, but also look gorgeous at the same time. Check out these steps. They are individually poured, floating steps. We're gonna put landscape lights underneath those, and it's gonna create a really modern look. As you walk down the side of the house, we have some plants on the side, a simple walkway with easy drainage rock, comfortable to walk on. We have the copperleaf bushes here. Those are really pretty privacy bushes, and they grow super fast, and they're a great complement to the yard. As you see in the back of the house here, as we repaired all the holes from where the washout was and the gaping boats, we put in some new grass, and we're slowly starting to fertilize it and cut it and mend all those areas. It'll take time, but it'll be a beautiful backyard again.